During this video segment, I will show you how you can share your lesson plans in Curriculum Track to your Google Classroom account. So this is making an assumption that your school is using the lesson planner and that your teachers are using Google Classroom as an LMS. This can be very helpful in the process of communicating learning goals for the week to your students and parents. First of all, before you can use this, you'll need to turn this sharing on. To do so, you'll go Admin Setup, and then go to the Public Access view. If you scroll way to the bottom of Public Access, you'll see the public viewing of lesson plans, and at the bottom of that section, there will be a checkbox to share lesson plans to Google Classroom. So you'll want to check that to allow your teachers to share their lesson plans to Google Classroom from the weekly view by class screen. So that's all that needs to be done in preparation. The next step I want to do is show you how teachers then can move their lesson plan content into Google Classroom. So your teachers can go to Lessons and go to the weekly view by class, because we're only working with one class at a time. So they can go ahead and choose whatever class they want to push into Google Classroom. So notice that I have lessons, lesson 1 through 5 for Monday through Friday of this week. And if I click on this Share to Google Classroom icon right here, what it should do is it should bring me to my Google Classroom account. And this is assuming you're logged into Google. If you're not, it may ask you to log in, but I'm using Gmail, so I'm in Google all the time. So it brings up my Google Classroom account. It says, which class do you want to share this with? I'll say second grade in this case. I can update the title. So it's just taken the week of and so forth. Maybe I don't need this. You can put in an optional description if you want. So I'll just put something in there so we see what that looks like. And if you want to, you can attach it to topics if you have topics. I'm going to go ahead and attach it to topic number or unit number 1 topic. And I'm going to attach this for all students. And again, as always with Google Classroom, you could schedule it, you could save it as a draft. I'm going to go ahead and post it right away here. So now it's posted, and I can go to my Google Classroom account if you want to view it. So I'll just click View here. And notice this is what I just posted today at 2:30 p.m. And go ahead and click on it. It's the full lesson detail for courses. And so notice that it copied all that content over. So it's a public access because remember with Curriculum Track, in order for folks to be able to see the content in there, they need to be able to log in. And your teachers, you don't have teachers and students with logins for Curriculum Track. You do have the public access view, but this gives you a bit more control over this. And so now notice you have this content available. This now concludes this instructional video.